This is Trashy Tips and Stuff, and today, Mathematica, shorthands in Mathematica. This is the freeze frame, look at it in your own time, and now we're in Mathematica. We will start off by defining a function. I will call this function nice. Look at how to define a function in my previous video. I will now use the prefix form of function application to apply this function onto a variable. Let's say that I will apply nice to the number 10. I will do that by typing out the function name nice and then using the @ symbol and then the number 10. Shift enter to execute your input. Now I will use the postfix form, which will be a double slash. So I will write 10 /nice, which will apply nice onto 10. Shift enter to complete your statement. Now, if you don't know what a shorthand expands to, use full form. For example, full form, open bracket, nice at 10, closing bracket, and now you can find out what the nice at 10 will actually expand to. I often use the at or prefix form of function application to find the numerical value of a symbolic expression, such as applying the function n, which gives you the numerical value of an expression, onto pi. So if I do n at pi, it will give me the number pi to a certain number of digits. I often use a postfix form to format lists as matrices. For example, I will now type out a list. I will make a new video how to do lists later. And now I can apply the traditional form function in postfix form onto my list. This is helpful because you usually forget that you want to have your list in the nice traditional form while you're writing the list, and now you don't have to go back to the beginning of the line. Shift enter to execute your input. Finally, I will explain how to map a function to every element of a list using the /at notation. Type out nice /at and now a number of elements within the list, and now shift enter and you will get a new list in which the function nice has been executed over all values within the old array. Thank you.